Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, we are doing a really quick farmhouse haul, and then I'm going to show you guys my DIY of spray painting my vintage fan that I told you guys about in my last video. I went back to Hobby Lobby and picked it up because I couldn't pass it up. I don't know why, but I was so drawn to it in the store, so I thought, okay, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna get it since I forgot to get it the first time. I'm so happy that I did, and I'm hoping that this DIY turns out. I think it's going to be pretty easy. I will be sharing that with you guys in today's video. Like I said, I'll show you the spray paint that I'm going to be using as well. Pretty self-explanatory and probably shouldn't be too hard. I'll show you guys what it looks like after I spray paint it and then styled on my coffee table as well. I don't know if that's gonna be the permanent area that I wanna keep it, but I need your guys' opinions like I always do. You'll have to let me know in the comments down below later in the video when we get to that portion of me putting it on my coffee table and actually styling it. I actually just got back from the mountains. It is 5 o'clock, so it's pretty late in the day. I'm going to head over to my parents' house to pick up my puppy dogs because they have been over there the past 2 weekends and I am missing them like crazy, I swear. I don't know what it would even be like to have human children, because I love those dogs so dang much. My cat has just been chilling here at my house. She absolutely loves it, not having to deal with any dogs here. But I just wanted to go ahead and start the video here and just say hello. I feel like I really haven't sat down and like chatted with you guys in a long time, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have been up in the mountains the past 2 weekends just living my absolute best life. I've had such a blast. It was just what I needed, like so relaxing, spent so much of my time out on the lake. I've gotten like really tan too. I don't know if you guys can tell. My face and my chest and neck area never get tan, but like my arms are so tan compared to my face. I don't know why, but my face never tans. It's very strange, but that is beside the point. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to enter my giveaway. I have my monthly July giveaway to enter to win some Rae Dunn measuring cups, and then I also have a giveaway that's on one of my previous YouTube videos where you can win a buffalo check rug. So make sure to check that out. I will leave that link down below. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, please do so. I post a ton more over there. So first and foremost, I wanted to show you guys this adorable stack of books that I got from Ashley Homestead. I will leave a link to her Etsy shop, and I also have a discount code for you guys. It is just Molly15, which I will also leave linked down below for you guys to save some money. She sent over this adorable stack of books that says Farm Fresh Lemonade 25 cents, and it has this really pretty lemon ribbon on it, which I absolutely love. You guys know that I have decorated pretty much my whole entire kitchen area in lemon decor, so this is going to go absolutely perfect in my kitchen or my living room. She did also send over this really pretty beaded garland as well. I have been wanting one of these for so long, and this one is absolutely stunning, you guys. She has a bunch of different colors on her website that you guys can look at if you are interested. I am definitely going to be purchasing some more book stacks. I want to purchase one for my mom, and I also want to get one with me and the fur babies' names on them. You will probably be seeing a Instagram picture with these stack of books. I am absolutely in love with them. She makes the cutest book stacks, so if you guys have been looking for some book stacks or even some of this really pretty beaded garland, make sure to go check out her Etsy page. Like I said, I will have it linked down below, and I will also have my discount code there for you as well. I also wanted to share with you guys this package that I got in the mail from one of my good friends. I have known her for so long. She just created her own little shop. It's called the Floral Cow Company. I'm absolutely in love. She makes the cutest tumblers, and she also makes like the car freshies. She's also now making the car coasters as well, which I'm absolutely in love with. So this is what I picked up from her. I got the car coasters. These are seriously stunning, you guys. So these are going to be going in my car. I'm gonna go put them in there right now. These help protect your cup holder area so they don't get as dirty, because I know mine gets super dirty. And then she also sent over this really awesome car freshie. So I've actually never had one of these before. I'm really excited to put this in my car. Like, how adorable is this? I'm obsessed. A little bow on the top of it. I cannot remember what scent I got. I'll look back at our text messages and put it on the screen if I can remember which one I did. She has a ton of different shapes to pick out from for the car freshies, and a ton of different scents as well. So if you guys are interested in supporting a cute little small business, definitely check her out. I will leave a link to her Instagram as well. I absolutely love that she's doing this, because like I said, me and her have been good friends for a while now. So definitely check her out. Her and her little family are the cutest things ever. The item that I wanted to share with you guys is this fan that I got from Walmart. It is obviously Better Homes and Gardens. You guys know I'm absolutely in love with everything and anything Better Homes and Gardens. Walmart is seriously stepping up their game so much. This was under $25, and I do plan on putting this in my room because I do sleep with a fan, and I wanted something that was more aesthetically pleasing, because you guys all know I like for things to just look nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this really quick and take it out so you guys can see a little bit better. I will have this link down below for you guys as well if you are interested. I got this when I was up in the mountains because none of my stores here where I live had it. So make sure to keep checking back in your local stores to see if they do have it, or you can get it shipped to you. All right, so now that I have it out of the box, this is what it looks like. I got mine in the white color. They have 4 different colors. They have red, black, white, and teal. The teal colors are really pretty as well. So as you can see, there's 3 different settings here, and you can obviously stop this as well if you wanted to, so that it doesn't spin, but I usually keep mine spinning, especially in my room, to kind of circulate the air. I absolutely love this thing. It is pretty small, but it's definitely gonna get the job done. They did have a bigger one as well, but I think this one would be great for like the living room or a bedroom or something where you don't need to have like a ton of air. You just kind of want something for your bedside. So again, I'll leave this link down below for you guys if you are interested. So worth it for the price. All right, so next up, this is the fan that you guys saw in the last video that I mentioned that I really wanted, but I forgot to pick up at Hobby Lobby. So I did actually end up going back that same day and picking it up. So this is what it looks like. It is very rustic and antique-y looking. This was, I believe, $20 on sale. It was originally $39.99. So I did get it for a pretty affordable price. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint it like I said. It is distressed with like some blue and black paint, but I'm going to completely get rid of that. I'm just going to be using the Rust-Oleum flat black. I don't want it to be shiny or anything, so that is why I went ahead and picked that up. That is what I used on the hardware of my coffee table as well. If you guys missed that video, I will try to link this and the fan for you as well. We are going to DIY this on camera, so you guys will see how it comes out. I think it's going to be pretty simple. It's just gonna be a little bit hard to get like in the crevices, but hopefully it'll be fine and it'll turn out good. Even if some red is peeking through, I don't think it'll look bad. I just want the majority of it to be black. I did also pick something else up from Hobby Lobby when I went. So I picked up a new paper towel holder because the one that I had was actually just clear, and I thought a more like farmhousey one would look better in my kitchen. So I went ahead and picked this one up. I'll show you guys what it looks like over here. I did also get a new little tray for right here. I don't think it's in yet, but I got like a little bubble up little sponge thing. If you guys know what I'm talking about, I don't know the exact term for it, but I did get one of those, so that'll probably be in an upcoming video as well. So this is what the new paper towel holder looks like. Obviously not much different, but I just thought this looked a little bit nicer and went a little bit better with my decor. I did also want to show you 2 things that I got from the mountains because I absolutely love them. So this is the first thing that I got. I got it in one of the boutiques up there. It just says favorite child, which I feel like is totally true in my family. My brother is gonna laugh at this. I'm gonna wear it when he comes over and just see if he notices it, because we always go back and forth on like who's the favorite child. I picked that up, and then I also got this new Starbucks tumbler. I have been seeing this all over and I didn't know if I wanted it, so I decided to stop in one of the Starbucks up in Breckenridge, and they had it. This one is actually insulated, which is really nice. All of my studded tumblers are not insulated, so that's kind of sad. It doesn't keep any of my drinks cold. This is 24 ounces, and it was $22.95, so a little bit more expensive than usual just because it is insulated, I'm assuming. But I really do enjoy it. This will definitely be something that I bring with me to work a little bit more often. I love my other water bottle, which is over here. I have talked about this thing so much, you guys. It's crazy. But I actually worked with this company and have absolutely fallen in love with it. I cannot say enough good things about this water bottle. It's only, I want to say $25 on Amazon. They have a ton of different colors. It's 40 ounces. Keeps your drinks so dang cold or hot. Love the top as well. Everyone thinks that it's a Hydro Flask, but you're paying like half the price. So if you guys are interested, I will leave a link to that as well. Not sponsored whatsoever, but I have absolutely fallen in love with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over to my parents' house. I'm gonna bring the fan and the spray paint, and we're gonna go ahead and get spray painting, and then I will show you guys what it looks like when we have it all done and dried. Here's what the fan looks like completely done and spray painted. I really like the way that it came out. I like it black a lot better than I do red. I still don't know how I'm going to style it, honestly. I've tried to put it behind my little centerpiece over here, and I'm just not 100% sure. I'm not even 100% sure if I should even leave it here. I'm not sure where else I would put it. I also need to redo this area because I actually am getting rid of my two other birdhouses that I had here. Here's my little kitty cat. Can you say hi? But I just kind of wanted to show you guys an overview of what it at least came out like, since I did show you guys me spray painting it. I really do like it. I'll move it over here so you can kind of see what it looks like behind this. So I tried to turn on the other lights so you guys could have a little bit better lighting. I just feel like the black, I don't know, I thought the black was gonna look good, but I feel like it just kind of blends in with the couch. So I think I may end up doing something else with it. I do kind of want to put it on either side, but I actually accidentally dropped it earlier on the coffee table and it got like black little marks everywhere. I tried to use sandpaper and it took off the paint, so now I had to order some of this paint. So that kind of stinks, but I needed to get paint anyways because I knew that that was going to happen at some point. So just kind of sucks, but you can't really see it from far away obviously, but you guys will have to let me know if you have any ideas of what you would do with it. Maybe if I turn, let me set you down really quick. I'm gonna try and do something. So what if I turn this sideways? I don't know. I kind of like it like that in general, but I don't know if that made a difference. I kind of like it sideways a little bit more, like on the table. I don't know. You guys are gonna have to let me know in the comments down below what you think I should do with it. I've thought about getting like some candle holders as well. Some of you guys recommended that, so let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you're following me over on Instagram as well. We are doing monthly giveaways, so you don't wanna miss out on that. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and we will see you guys in the next one. Say bye. Stay marvelous.